Hey y'all, I'm up here in the art studio today. Welcome to all of my new subscribers. And hey, how y'all doing to my old subscribers? Thank y'all so much for joining me today. I'm about to make a sublimation towel. It's going to say margarita night. So we're gonna add this to our canvas. I have a subscription to Creative Fabric. Right now they're running a special. I think it's like $47 a year. So yeah, check them out. So I have this uploaded in here, and my paper is A sub paper is 8.2 inches by 11.6.93 inches. So what I had to do is go to your settings, change your load type to 11 inches by 17 inches tabloid. Once you have done that, it will allow you, now mind you, we're not going to cut this. This is a sublimation design. So if you're doing a sublimation design and you want it to be bigger, this is what you do. Okay, so we've already changed our load type in settings. So you're going to come over here and you're going to make this 7.5. 7.5. Unlock your shape or it won't let you do different ones. 7.5 by 10. Okay. Oh wait, you know what, guys? My bad. That's not what you need to do. My bad. Okay, you're gonna keep this image, whatever it is. Okay, you're gonna add your words. So I want to say summer vibes on mine. And I'm gonna add 2 text box. Summer vibes on mine. And then of course I've been using this font like crazy. This is one of my favorite ones. I'm gonna change this into school font. I also got this font from Creative Fabric as well. First of all, I'm going to ungroup this because I want to change my letter placement. So I'm going to select the ones I want to change. I'm going to unlock them because I want to make them longer and just a little bit wider, a little bit longer. And I'm going to take my S, and it seems to me that it's like laying down a little bit. I don't really like that. So I'm going to sit it up. And then I'm going to select everybody again. I'm going to group them together. And then I don't know why they use this little dusty black, but I don't like it. So I'm going to change mine to this deep dark black because this is sublimation and I want my colors to really pop. I'm going to do the same thing for vibes. For some reason, I mean, it's cute or whatever, but I just like mine to be different. So I'm going to unlock the shape. I'm going to stretch it out a little bit wide and lengthen it just a little bit. My V is fine, but I'm just gonna touch it up just a tad bit and bring it up, and I think that's cute. So, well, I'm gonna bring it down just a tad bit. There we go. And then I'm going to select everybody, and I'm going to turn them from ashy to moisturized. Undo that. That's not what I meant to do. Select everybody, and then group them back together. Alrighty. Once you have done that, you're gonna add it to your, and it's still not sitting right, so I'm just going to open it up a little bit, stretch it, make it a little bit bigger. My mouse is about to die, so it's like sticking, and also it's sticking real bad. So annoying. I'm gonna take this down a little bit so I can see what I'm doing, and also I need to unlock this shape. I'm gonna change the battery after this. I really am. There we go. And I need to do the same thing for summer too, because I like mine to be a little wider. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. Okay, so once you have your shapes positioned like you want to, make sure they're proportionate or whatever. I think this one needs to go down just a little bit, like so. Move it over a little bit. Boom. Okay, so then you're gonna select everybody, and then you can attach them and then flatten them, and that's gonna turn everything into a print and cut. Now we want to go over here to our sizes, and we're going to change it to 7.5 by 10. Now when you do this, it's going to cut off your registration lines on one side, but that doesn't matter because this is a print and cut and we don't need the registration lines. At least I don't. If you want to use your registration lines to cut this shape out, this won't work for you. But if you don't need them, this will fit. Your whole image will print out without any problems, or any cutting off of your image. You just won't have one side of your registration lines. And then we don't have a error in this thing. And then I'm going to take you guys over to my heat press and show you how the design came out. So this is how the design came out. I already cut it out. I cut the registration lines off because I don't want them to sublimate on my towel. As you can see, nothing was cut from any of the design. And it's gonna be a little muted. The colors are muted until the gases activate on your shirt, and then you'll see how that turns out. So I have my tea towel here, and I am just going to fold it to place the design on. I'll unfold it once I get my design set up. I'm just gonna add a little heat tape.
A few moments later.
Okay, it's time for the big reveal.
Oh my God!
Nice.
How pretty is that? Summer vibes.